Hey y'all, this is just some early videos of me, my first experiences cutting trees. This was at my second house actually, where that whole area in the back where I am now just needed cleared, so I had to have any sort of backyard. So yeah, I just enjoy some of the cutting. Early experiences, didn't know as much as I know now, which may not be saying much. One thing I should mention is that this was back in 2017, so this is a little while ago.
Is he cutting
Um,
more?
the truck you'll hear is my father pulling. You
Done.
can't quite see the video. We had a rope tied off just above where I was cutting, up up into the tree, and then he just pulled it over. Now this tree was kind of funny because it's a good sized pine out in the front yard. You'll see me go at it and whatnot. But the funny thing is, my buddy is recording this, and he's up near my driveway. He's a little zoomed in right now, but you'll see him slowly back away. On the left side, you'll see the garage, and then more and more the garage door will show up as I proceed to cut. So just teasing him. It's just funny. Here's the third tree. This one was another one on the right side of the driveway. Just a nice cut. All right, folks, this is Brendan from Winter Wood Life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.